Namaskar, hello everyone. This is me Pooja and we are with MotherWorld. The world where is your all access solution. Yes, today is a Sunday, 31st March 2019 and March ka last day. And yes, the very beautiful memory and MotherWorld definitely बहुत अच्छा farewell MotherWorld ने दिया and MotherWorld wishes a very happy April and wish you all the best. And because yes, 1st April, that is very important day for because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, so definitely the day is very important for you. So we will discuss a very important thing, that is National Crayon Day. Yes, the if we talk about crayons, so yes, definitely our childhood memories ज़रूर हमें याद आ जाती, because crayons का उतना अच्छा use शिनचैन, if you watch शिनचैन, and yes, शिनचैन के जितने भी चीज़ें आप देखते हैं, शिनचैन itself and ड्रॉ वो क्रेयॉन से ही वो पिक्चर बनाया गया है. एक बार जब वॉच करिएगा. एंड येस, पूजा डेफिनेटली कवर द डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. शी एक्सप्लेन होल थिंग्स. सो येस, वी विल टॉक समथिंग अबाउट विच इज़ द हिस्ट्री और विच आर द things related to the National Crayons Day. So every March 31st, children and adults alike open up box of crayons and enjoy coloring day. Yes, life हमें हमेशा सिखाता है कि always be happy and colors हमारे लिए बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से काम करते हैं. What a better way to take a part in a National Crayon Day. Yes, draw picture and decorate your home. Like yes, हम बचपन में सबसे ज़्यादा अपने walls पे ही painting करते थे. We are the painter. We are the very best painter on that time. And yes, that are the very beautiful memories. Wax and chalk based crayons have been used by artists around the world of centuries. Wax से और chalk से ये बनाया जाता था. Edwin Binney created brightly colored crayons we are familiar with today. He was a part owner of the Binneys and Smith, a company that produced products such as paints, pigments and slate pencils for schools. Yes, A, B and yes, आप जानते हैं what white and color, वो chalk and slate कितना अच्छा combination है. In 1903, Benny and Smith created a crayon division and produced color wax crayons for children for the first time in 1993 में. Then in 94, they presented their Anduke stick chalk at the combined exposition in St. Louis, winning for a gold medal for that. And the chalk was designed to be the dustless as many teachers required and was an immediate success. And yes, ये inventions जब हुए उसी का आज हम इतना यूज़ कर रहे हैं. और इफ़ वी आर नॉट टॉक अबाउट डिजिटलाइजेशन, तो हम समझ सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा ये उस समय. बिकॉज मुझे याद है कि हम लोग एडिशन वगैरह पेपर्स इन सब चीज़ों, बिकॉज दे आर कटेड बाय प्लांट्स, एंड उन सब चीज़ों को कट ना करके हम लोग हम में से कितने लोग हैं कि ज़मीन पर भी वो चीज़ करते थे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द our village where we are using this. And childhood and playing with a crayon, both are the very good memories, and we know how important the day for us. So yes, on Sunday definitely you will enjoy a crayons day and buy a crayon and draw something. And yes, definitely there is a IPL match, so enjoy that also, because there is a 2 match and I know we all enjoying that day. So that's all in this video. Bye bye, take care yourself, and yes, wish you a very happy, yes, be happy and be happy on Monday. And that's it. Bye bye, take care yourself, and don't forget to connect with MotherWorld. Bye bye.